Okay, YouTube, this is my first video for my C5. Did a couple of mods, actually a couple of repairs, and modded it at the same time. Put the Hinson shifter in with the TMod lower box rebuilt, much better. Not perfect, but I guess that's the design. And finally got the Escort with the M1 put in, hardwired. Kind of just tucked it in real quick. I'll adjust it. You can see it's hanging off the other wire. I put the remote smart wire right here. I can get it open. There it is. I try to tidy up those wires. I'm not sure I could really do much more with that. I don't want to drill holes, but there was enough space to fish it through. So, there we go. Not sure what I'm going to do about the Bluetooth. I'm using this ROAV. Works, not great. For music, it's good. Phone, car's just too damn loud. And there's the holder for here for now. It won't fit in here. As you all know, it's too shallow. That's it for now. I think I'll wash it and give it a day. Take care.